In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Asana with Outlook. So to get started, you'll need to go ahead and open Microsoft Apps Source. So on Microsoft App Source, you need to look for Asana for Outlook. So search for that using the search bar provided and then click on Asana for Outlook on the results. Click on Get It Now to be able to install it to your device. Enter your Microsoft account that you want to use to be able to download this on Microsoft App Store. And then once you've provided that, click on Sign In to sign in to your Outlook account. So once you have signed in to your Outlook account, you'll be able to continue on installing this. So make sure to enter your details in this form provided. And once you have entered your details, such as your name, job title, company, country, region, and phone number, you can go ahead and click on this Get It Now button, which you'll find at the bottom right of this specific pop-up form. So make sure to select the correct country that you're currently residing from and that was used to create your Outlook account. So once you have that done, you can go ahead and proceed on your Outlook account. So this will redirect you into your Outlook account, and that is how you can basically integrate Asana with Outlook. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.